Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Philips. So, in this video I'm going to use this type of brush. If you haven't cleaned tool, you can use also a toothbrush. And also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now, on the front side, right here we have charging contacts, these golden dots. And I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts. So, firstly for the left earbud, let's clean it. Okay, now the right one. Now I'm going to apply the isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts on the charging case. And let's clean it with the same type of brush. Now let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tips. Here we go, the grill, and just slightly clean it. Now the right one. Let's apply ear tips. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.